Hello everyone, welcome to Business English course. We've already presented this course in the previous video, which is available on my YouTube channel. And now we are going to present our first chapter, which is about principles of marketing, basic concepts and fundamentals. So, the expected objective of this lecture are: the student will be able to define marketing, identify marketing utilities, recognize the differences among marketing management concepts, and also to know the marketing terminologies in Arabic. So, this chapter is divided in this following way. We will start our lecture with an introduction, and then we will see the definition of marketing. Also, we're going to study marketing utilities along with the marketing management concepts. And we will finish our lecture by seeing the marketing mix. Introduction. Marketing is dynamic and impactful. The details differ between industries, but at its most basic, marketing is how businesses reach prospective customers and communicate the unique benefits of a product or service. It encompasses all the activities that companies undertake to promote, sell, and distribute that product or service. The goal is to generate sales and build a loyal customer base by informing prospective and existing buyers about the offering. Definition of marketing. So, marketing consists of all the activities of individuals and organizations designed to identify, anticipate, and mutually satisfy the needs of all parties involved in the exchange. Marketing utilities. So there are 4 marketing utilities, which are the capacities of the product offering to satisfy the needs of customer. These include: the first one is called form utility, which refers to how much value a consumer receives from a product or service in a way that they actually need. Form utility is therefore the incorporation of customer needs and wants into the features and benefits of product being offered by the company. Also, we have time utility, which means providing customers with products or services at the right time, exactly when they want them. In other words, having a product available at a time convenient for customer. For the place utility, it refers to the ability of customers to buy the products or services at a location that is convenient to them. And for the last one, it's called possession utility, which means that the ownership of the product is transferred from the company to the buyer. The marketing management concepts. So there are 5 marketing management concepts that companies will utilize in their marketing objectives. The first marketing management concept is called production concept, which says that consumers will buy products that are widely available and low in cost. In other words, build it and they will come. The second marketing management concept is product concept. So this management orientation says that consumers will buy products that offer the most quality, performance, and innovative features. For the third marketing management concept is called selling concept, which says that the consumers will buy products only if the company undertakes aggressive selling efforts. The fourth concept is called marketing concept. This marketing management orientation focuses on needs and wants of customers and also delivering satisfaction better than competitors. For the last concept is societal concept, which focuses on the needs and wants of consumers and also delivering superior value. In other words, this concept is about finding balance between social welfare, consumers' needs, and company profits. The marketing mix. There are four marketing mix variables that are associated with a product. This must be taken into consideration when making any decision regarding marketing activities. These are often known as the 4 P's in marketing. The first variable in marketing mix is called product. This variable describes all factors related to the actual product visible to the consumer. This may include things such as quality, features, options, style, packaging, brand, sizes, and so on. The second B is called price, which refers to the value that is put for a product. It depends on cost of production, segment targeted, ability of the market to pay, and other direct and indirect factors. The third variable of marketing mix is called place, which deals with all distribution and location aspects of product. And for the last variable is promotion, which refers to all activities and efforts by a company to make the product known to the clients. Those efforts might include advertising, personal selling, sales, public relations, and so on. At the end of this video, I thank you for your attention.